All right. Um, welcome, everyone. Welcome. We're back here for another session. We're back here for another session. Mm, 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 Okay, so let's just do some quick markups here. Let's get this shit going, huh? Let me just check this shit here real quick. Mm, 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 mm. All right. Okay, so this is looking right. So we have these levels here on gold. Again, I'm actively looking at gold now because it just makes sense. Um, it makes a lot of sense now to be looking at gold. So these are my levels here for gold for now. Um, the gray area is where I don't want to be executing in. Quick markups here on gold. I don't want to be executing anyway in these levels, right? So inside, above, or below, yeah. So yeah, let's look at NQ. Okay, so okay, really nice levels here on NQ for the most part. 30 minute, 1 hour looking good. 30 minute looking good. Let's see this range here. Oh, this is 100 points away. Okay. Mm, could enter here, break up these lows. It's like 1 hour. Depends. We have a level here, we have a level here. Let's use this level. Let's use this level. So if we close beneath here, we could possibly continue bearish, right? Um, we have about 9 minutes left. We don't know. We also have Jolt's jobless claims. No more. Oh yeah, the shutdown. God damn, I have it in the title. Yeah, the shutdown. Jolt's most likely would not be happening. Okay, so these are our 30-minute levels. Yeah. The 5 minute on NQ looks like shit. So what I may do is to look for an entry maybe on the breakout these highs here. You could take buys anyway here. Yeah, I think we could take buys anyway here. Sales, however, could be here if I'm being honest. This is 1 hour. Yeah, the entire range here is like 2 hours. So this could work for sales for me. All right, for the most part, yeah. These are the levels here. NQ. I'm gonna do a 5 here. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Let's do the YM. Let's do the YM chart here. Oh, wow. Okay. This is good. All right. So 30 minutes. We're closing below here. This is very good. 30 minutes high above here. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. We have these wicks to the left there. Let's see what they are. Okay. So yeah. Yeah. I think I break up this week here. I prefer this. Break up this week here. Entering sales. Um, yeah, yeah, this could work. This could work. Maybe catch like 150 points. Yeah, that would be awesome. Yeah, this area here is good to target. Okay, 5 minutes left. This is what I'm looking at here for YM. It's gonna be 20. All right, that's it here for now. Oh, let me think what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to still have a gold chart open for this one. Actually, I'll just use this here. Boom, 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 boom. Man, YM is melting, huh? YM is melting. For buy, so YM here. I think shit, can't do that there. No, can't take that call now. Yeah, I think YM would be is good for here because this is a 30-minute high. I think YM is good on the break of this high here to continue bullish. Try and get early entries. I've noticed my entries have been a little rusty. So better entries means lower chance of getting stopped out. So let's just try to work on that. Okay. Yeah, so these are our levels. Yeah, to be nice if we get a week up here on YM to continue selling off here. That'd be really awesome. Um, I mean, just a closure here, we could enter on the break of its own low. We can, but we really need a week up, like a really nice week up to do that. But if it doesn't, then if it just drops, then we have to wait a little bit. Okay, YM, thank you. Oh, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this here. 250.
You trading your funded account?
Hmm?
You trading your funded account?
Yeah, yeah. But bro, what other account would I trade? I have no more evals. So I pass all the evals. I got three accounts. I got three accounts. So just
Nice.
just more or less chilling with these accounts here. Okay, let me just see what's going on here. NQ. Yeah, this could potentially be really good moves here. Yep. If NQ close below the zone as well, that would be good because the cells, see the cells is likely here, right?
Mm.
The cells is likely here. So then both of them would be going, both of them would be going in the same direction. That is very good. That's very good.
I'm
Very,
more
very.
interested in YM.
Yeah, YM look like the better play here.
Like, I feel like it just go down and then
Yeah.
YM go up.
I mean, could happen too. All right, guys, let's lock it in. Yeah. Good luck. Let's try to not have any problems.
Right.
Okay, there is a week up on YM. There is a week up on YM. We got the closure on YM. NQ is pushing down. Hmm. I'm not liking NQ. Not liking it, but I think that's the play though. I'm not liking NQ, but I think that may be the play. Let's see what YM is doing. Wow, okay. Oh, YM with a flip potentially, huh? Let's see. Let's see. This is a nice weak dog, by the way, on NQ. Um,
YM might be the play.
yeah,
Amen.
I'm in on YM. Wow. Wait, what the hell? The shit moves so fast. Okay. Yeah, break even on YM. Holy shit. Actually, I'll just close it. Let me try and get my 2 hour here. I'm at 2 hour. Stops at 1 hour. 750. Six. Stops at 2 hour on YM.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
stops at 2 hour. Eight. I'll take 3 hour. I'll take 3 hour. I'll take 3 hour. I'll take 3 hour. Okay, dub here, guys. Really good dub here. Really good dub here. Good one, guys. Good one. Good one. Good one. Enki doesn't look bad, but I don't like it. Enki doesn't look bad, but I really don't like it.
Yeah. I'm pretty good.
Yep. Dub day, dub day, dub day, dub day. How much Enki move here? Ooh, almost 1 hour. I mean, yeah, almost 1 hour, fair enough. It's a nice close here on the 1 minute on NQ, by the way. Nice close on NQ, yeah. Nice close.
You know, the level on a YM is great because the way price moves at this time,
Yeah,
it would definitely hit you up.
yeah, yep, yep, yep. Very,
Like fly like in 11 seconds.
very much so, man. Very much. Yeah. Nas is a great move as well. Nas okay. Nas okay. Nas is okay, yeah.
Raj is a little down, honestly.
Yeah. Yep.
Because it went up, grabbed Portis from the top, and it broke the nose.
Yep.
Almost got it. It was a 2R. So it stops out a lot of people and then
Yeah. That's what most likely happened there. Yeah, the close of this 5 minute candle and an next push would be insane too, though. Would be a good trade. It should be a good trade.
it rules out.
Yeah, it should be a good trade. Wow. I mean, it just hit 1 to 2, though. It really hasn't. Like, that's like 50 points. I think it's still open to some movement here. YM that is not NQ, not YM. Yeah, YM has some tough zones there to deal with too. Hmm. What's gold doing? Hmm. Gold ain't looking too bad. There's that push up. Mm.
Gold is raging.
Hmm?
Gold is raging.
Yeah, gold and looking too good at all. It's still in the same range.
Yeah.
It's still in the same range.
London.
I'm looking at why I'm here on an X account. Yeah, I'm looking to see if it makes sense. Yeah. Yeah. Good day, man. WWD. WD. WD, man. Well, this is interesting here. This is an interesting candle here on Nas. Nas will definitely. Yep. Yeah. This is a very interesting 1 minute candle here on Nas. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh. There it is. There is the cells. There's the cells. There it is, Anna. There it is. There we go. All right. All right. Okay. I got some more cells there on the next account. At least I got like 220 profitable day. I'm just trying to make the profitable days. At this point, I'm just trying to make the profitable days. Again, we're trying to remain consistent, you know. Trish, what's up? Yeah, just trying to make the profitable days right now, man. That's the important thing. Make the profitable days and yeah. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna call it here. I'll be mixing up the accounts. I will be mixing up some of these accounts here because again, it makes sense. It don't make sense to just trade one account like one time. When there's other sessions I could use as well to help in the process, right? So for example, I traded, was it Asia? Yeah, Asia, right? I traded Asia and I made 900 Asia session, right? So almost I could say 1,000, right? So that's 4 hours. I risked 250 a trade and I made that. So I just lock off the account because I mean shit. I'm up. That's the second day trading it, and I'm up 2 bands already. So yeah, we got that. Ooh, that closure here would be insane too, bro. So see, little things like that, little things like this, guys, is what um sometimes you can, make the most of certain situations. Try and make the most of certain markets. Because at the moment, like we get a closure here. If we get a closure here, um, like YM NQ, like you could get, I mean, preferably NQ because NQ have the better range here, right? NQ has a way better range here. So price close below here, like you could enter on this shit, right? It's a solid move. It's a solid move potentially, right? You probably don't even need to close below because of the volume that's in the market right now. But it just goes to show like there's a lot of potential here. So like trading one account is kind of defeat the purpose. In my opinion, at least. In my opinion. So break up the lows here.
Which
Yeah, YM didn't make about a top wick, a bottom wick. That's the difference, right? That's the difference. It didn't make a bottom wick, and there's a lot of noise to the left here for YM. YM could be the one pushing, but on the side here, a lot of noise here. So this whole area here is noise. So in my opinion, could possibly take a trade here on NQ if it breaks the low. Oh yeah, YM is fucking gone. So, but it's in this area. I mean, it would have been out already by now, actually. Cause this is more than 2 hour already. Break off the high. Yeah, this is 2 hour. Yeah, this is 2 hour already. All right. So
confused.
yeah. So look at NQ. So see what I'm saying? Look at NQ. All right. So this is again. There's a huge range on NQ, by the way. Right. So a nice range on NQ here. So NQ could drop to this levels, one of these levels here, and yeah. So I'm in NQ here on the next account here, and I'm just gonna like just trail it if I can, if it allows me. But okay, I'm out. See, so still made $10. But that's the thing. 30 bucks actually. But that's the thing. Like opportunities are there, you know. So sometimes once you understand how much the market has moved, and you can't even judge that shit these days because this shit is moving so fucking crazy. And that's why I started back watching at gold because I understand gold and I know okay at any minute gold just does its shit. But I will admit it has calmed down. Gold has calmed down a bit. So, I'm not gonna be trading it or anything like that. Yeah, so yeah man. Thank you. The move is still there. Look at it. So this is when it broke the low, your stop loss here. You're looking at, let's see, potentially if it continues down, right? This is your stop. This is 25 point stop. Man, YM is fucking gone. Talk about talk about having having fucked up zones to the left. Wham is gone.
Yeah,
Wham is gone. Wham is gone. If it gave a bottom wick, I would have entered, but it didn't give that bottom wick, so I didn't like it. Again, there's a method to the madness. There is a method to the madness, guys. So,
there
I'm
you go.
wow,
Boom.
holy shit. So see,
Damn.
look at that. That would have been three out there. Easy, man. Easy, easy, guys. So don't give up. Don't give up. Like this shit happens. You could get moves all the time. Just have your zones marked up and just wait. That's all. Just wait. Just wait.
Let's really come to it. Close below. Take a sell.
Yeah, again,
Take it blindly.
again, it's so straightforward. Like I just said it.
Oh yeah.
We came here, we have the 5 minute here, we closed below the 5 minute, we wicked up, dropped. Like that's so basic. So basic.
That's it. Easy.
So basic. So basic. So all right guys. See y'all around tomorrow. We're back. Peace.